Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to change your channel name on YouTube. It's very easy and simple. Now let's start. First, open YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on U button. This is located on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now see here, you can find your channel here. Now tap on View Channel. Then tap on pencil icon. See here, you can find the name of your channel. Now, pencil icon besides the channel name, tap on it. Now here type your new name, new channel name, type here. Now tap on save. See here, the channel name is now saved. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech tutorials like this. Thank you.